Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to log into your Metlife account on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the best way to do this is head on over to metlife.com, and now this is the official website of Metlife. From here, navigate to where it says login on the top of the page. So go ahead and hit login, and now I'll say login to Metlife. And we've got a few different options, so you can log into your personal account, your business account, or broker account. So choose which one you need to log into. I'm going to leave it a personal account and go ahead and click on the login button. And now after a few moments, you'll be brought to this page. So it will say log into your account. So go ahead and put in your username and your password and then hit login. And if you can't log in for some reason, just click on I can't log in. So let's have a look what this says. So I can't log in. So you can recover login credentials by clicking forgot password or forgot username. So if you've forgotten your username, click forgot username. If you've forgotten your password, click forgotten password and go through the prompts to recover your account, and then come back here and put in your username and new password as well, and then click login.